Well, today everyone, as you can see, I'm in East Eggs right now. So, today we are not gonna do the Android 17. Stay all the Android 16 because you may think I might do that, but actually I'm not gonna do that because like there's some like leaks and cool features you can actually do. I know we did like the Android 17 leak thing, where like Android 17 released and like the unpopular Android versions they got like an update, so yeah. So let me explain how to do the Easter eggs. Well, you well this also adds cool features like um for Android 13 and Android 17 having a new theme, which also gives you one of the Android 11 vibes because like something like that, but I must do like the whole thing, like over and over again. But it's not like Android 17, like the Easter egg, but you must actually do it like alright. But it does give you 2020 vibes, by the way. And yeah, the unpopular Androids still get they still get the, their own skin. So yeah, I am not very so yeah, like Android Oreo has like this cool Easter egg, but it's called like the octopus, but like a version 2. And Android 12 got like more updates than like the whole other, cause like and like say for example, 2018 and 2025 combined together, but brain rotted year. I mean brain rotted era. Loki, let's just say I was 23 in 2018, but get out! But whatever. I'm still trying, but yeah, we gonna go back to the past because yeah, you know what happened there, and yeah. Okay, well, yeah, like these different Android versions. Well, to 2008. Well, let me explain to you. Well, so yeah, like 2008, like in 2009 and 2010, Android 2.3 Gingerbread had its prime and for bigger screens as well, and it's on East eggs for bigger screens and tablets, and even for like Samsung Galaxy S1, because like that was made 6 years ago. So yeah, like 16 years ago. Yeah. What the hell is wrong with it? Well, yeah, I do. Yeah, and to be honest, right now, the worst Android codename, to be honest, right now, gotta be Frodio. I mean, like, it's laggy and it's not good, but hey, Android Gingerbread it's still its prime. It still had its prime, though. Alright, whatever. Um, yeah, but I really like on the Samsung Galaxy S2. I think Android Ice Cream Sandwich was very confusing because this time in 2011, I didn't really understand Android because what happened with Android Honeycomb, yeah, the operating system really did a rush, yeah, but I like the operating. Hey, I didn't even have the Galaxy S1 yet. I only had the Galaxy the S4. I really don't know what phone I had that time in 2022, so yeah, I can't even remember. Android Jelly Bean 4.1, the easy exam I'm doing right now. So yeah, it's kind of fun, but 2012, this wasn't really a big deal. The Android 4.1 and its API 6, API 16 to 18, and yeah, and you guys may, and I missed you guys like actually like so much when I was like offline when my Wi-Fi was kind of off. Um, Yeah, and they added this monster, which is Android ice cream sandwich. Well, this may seem familiar, but it's also alright. But it's the same as Android honeycomb, by the way. It's just another copy, but it's just a ice cream sandwich with a blank biscuit. Yeah, it's just another copy from 2011's project, but revamped part 2, or should I say V2. Because if we go click on settings icon, well, yeah, I'm not gonna show the videos yet, I'm just gonna go back. If we go about a timeline, and if we scroll down, as you can see, from 2021 September and December 2021, um and the 12 got its another update. Well, it's gotta be. Wait, I'm just watching Tom right now. I'm gonna see how laggy this iPhone 7 is. Okay, whatever. Wait, so in 2022, this got an update, but whatever. Yeah. So, like, when I was, like, offline, when I was playing East eggs, but, like, if you heard, there's, like, a 4% chance that you can get, like, an Android Honeycomb B, but yeah, but the yellow texture. I really like it, but I wish I could show it to y'all, but actually nah. Actually nah. This is what I'm freaking talking about. Yeah, this is a cool band. But Git, GitHub, you actually did amazing project with this. Like, this is way better than the ice cream sandwich monster. Yeah, from 2011's project. Yeah, they actually kind of rushed this. Alright, so I like the wings of this. I like the ears. I like the render. I like how they made it. Ketchup, the Thus project. Thus is walava. Yeah, whatever you call it. I like the green eyes for the balloon. Just look at it. Look at the green eyes though. I like it how they outlined it. Like, well, let me take a screenshot of this quick. Wait, let me take a screenshot quick. Okay, there we go. I took a screenshot. I'm gonna post it on my YouTube post. Where I make contents now. I'm a South African content creator, but I just make edits. So yeah. And this is the other one. And oh yeah, I forgot I didn't do anyone. But we are gonna go for the updates. We're gonna go for the theme. As you can see, we got default, white, dark, and black. See, this is just in the default. I'll go for dark because since Android 10 came out in 2019, that time I was only 4. And they added the dynamic color if you also want to put it off. Yeah, we don't mind. App icon. This is very picky. You can change it to Android 17, 16, or even 15. I'm gonna change it to Android 17 because I just like the update of this. It's kind of much more cool. I wish I could just put on the S26 Ultra and the icon shape. Nah, just insane, bro. But I'm making Android 17 though. That kind of matches with Android 17 though. I'm not gonna lie. I can visual fix, snapshot review. Also laggy. Cat editor. Hey, look at my cat. Look at my cat. Wait, let me see my. Okay, well, yeah, okay. Yeah, this is actually cool Easter egg. That's a secret Easter egg. I don't know why I even clicked it. Oh my gosh, why do I... Okay. Okay, let's go widgets. As you can see, this... Okay, can do that later. Sneaku Dio. Okay, so this ended... Yeah. Just a clock.
They clock it.
Yeah, you can do anything since then. But anyways, thanks for y'all again